Hi everyone and welcome to my channel. I haven't been very active past few days because I was kind of a little busy with my work and everything, and I have been involving myself in different kind of meditations. Like you all know that I meditate a lot, and these days I have been trying uh, different kind of meditations, and so I was a little busy doing all of that stuff. Plus I think that when you're starting the spiritual journey, so I think it happens with everyone when you are on the path, when you think that you want to evolve spiritually, you want that kind of spiritual growth. There are things that pull you back, there are problems, there are difficulties. Today I'm kind of feeling really nice. I just meditated, and also I'm reading a lot of books. Like you all know that I read a lot. So right now I'm reading this book called uh, The Book of Secrets by Osho. This is a very thick book, so I kind of divided it into three parts, 1, 2, and 3. And there is something really amazing about this book. It is kind of a very deep book. We don't actually read this kind of stuff anymore. We don't hear about this kind of stuff on YouTube, or like I was reading this mind control book earlier, and this is a very different concept from this is more about the spiritual growth by surrendering yourself, by getting so deep into yourself that you don't care about what is happening out in the world, that you are kind of separate from the reality that we know all about. So I was reading this book, and I think that whenever you encounter any kind of problem, or whenever a same kind of problem is getting into your life again and again, then this problem is kind of trying to tell something about you. And it happens with me a lot. I kind of encounter a particular kind of a problem in my life again and again, and it makes me feel the same kind of feeling again. So I was kind of so I was really discovering all of this about myself, and I think that to be spiritually evolved, you need to solve these problems that you encounter in your lives. You have to find the spiritual solution to all of these problems, because really all these problems are in our mind, and they've got nothing to do with actual reality, because we are the creator of our problems, and we can solve these problems in our mind. What I want to tell you guys is that if you have a same kind of problem in your life, and you are dealing with same kind of people, and they are coming again and again into your life, then there is a message behind all of this, and they're trying to tell you something about yourself, something that is still unhealed in your life, and something that you need to heal, and something that you need to heal right away. And until you don't do that, these kind of problems, they're going to come again and again in your life. I think that the only way to get rid of these problems is to go within, is to really go deep inside yourself, and find the spiritual solution to these problems. Because like I said, that I've been reading Osho these days, and he says that if you have any problem in your life, and you are not able to find solution, then you have to go deep within yourselves and look at that problems from distance. It's like that you have to pull out a plant from its roots and look at the roots, and when you look at the roots, the plant eventually dies, because it is not getting the nutrients, it is not getting the sunlight, it is not getting anything from the soil, from the ground. So it is like, if you have any problem in your life, just go deep within yourself and look at the problem, pull out that problem from its roots, and just look at that problem, that what kind of problem is it. And when you look at that problem, that eventually that problem is no longer there, it no longer exists, because you have acknowledged, you have accepted that yeah, there was a problem. Which is why I think that it is really important to meditate, to go deep within yourself, and look at yourself from distance. Just separate yourself from your mind. And it happens with me lately when I have been meditating. I think that I have been able to separate myself from my thoughts, and I have been able to observe myself as a witness. This is all about, I think. I think meditation is all about witnessing and observing yourself. So when I meditate, when I'm sitting on my bed, I look myself from the opposite side, meditating, and this is kind of a really esoteric experience, because looking yourself from outside, it kind of create a sense of insecurity, a sense of fear inside yourself. But this is all about empowering yourself and looking at your fear, looking at your insecurities, and when you look at them, when you look at the plant, when you look at the roots, the plant eventually dies, your fear dies, your insecurities dies. These days I'm going really deep within myself. I'm meditating in the morning, and I'm meditating in the evening after my work, and this has been really helpful, because so many things are happening right now, and I think that to be able to grasp everything that is happening, you have to meditate, you have to clear up that space in your mind, to accept new things, to accept the way life is. And meditation is all about acceptance, the way things are, and it is like you're not trying to control anything anymore. So it is important to surrender yourself. I think that this whole process of meditation is about surrender, and is about acceptance of the way things are, because sometimes we can no longer control our things, control other people, control the way other people behave. We can no longer control what is happening outside, but we can still have that center inside ourselves. We can still have that kind of patience, that kind of maturity to accept things, to accept people. And I think when we do this, when we kind of go ahead and take the step towards accepting things, the things change, and you will no longer be a part of the problem. You will be just witnessing everything that is happening around you. And when you witness something, when you observe something, you can kind of make the right decisions, because you are no longer in the conflict, you are no longer fighting against something. You can make the right decision, you can be calm, you can be composed, and you can at least control yourself. You can get rid of the anger, of the fear, because whatever is happening, you're observing it, you're witnessing it, but you're not part of that problem. I think it's been a month that I haven't been able to make a video, so I hope that I make more such videos, because I myself is on this journey, and I want you to accompany me, I want you to be there for me. So let's hope that I make more such videos. And one thing that I want to share today with you is that at least try to meditate for like 10 minutes in the morning, or after work. Just go within yourself, and I think all of the problems that you have in your life, the problems, the insecurities, the fears, when you look at them, they will start to disappear. But you have to acknowledge the fact that you are afraid, and you have to accept the fact that things may not be the way we want them to be. But with acceptance comes a trust, a belief that things are going to be fine. So let's hope this happens with you. I hope you like this video, and much love to you and happiness to you.